Well, it's time for a Northeast Wisconsin blizzard update. I'm on the front porch, south side of the house looking east. The snow drift that has formed on the west side of the machine shed has now reached the bottom of the window. That happens to be a 10-foot tall wall. So that would imply that that drift is probably on the order of 6 feet deep or thereabouts. The snow in the front yard continues to accumulate. It's over the tops of my boots, so it's probably about 20 inches deep on the level. Snow has, of course, drifted over the top of the porch at almost all of the locations, and the snow isn't letting up at all. The wind is still blowing, and the blizzard is still exerting its influence. It's pretty brutal out there. I'm glad I'm not wildlife. That's all I can say.